Hello and welcome back to Muslim Convert Learning Arabic. So in the previous video, I showed you the Kasratain, which are the two fathahs on top of letters of the Arabic alphabet, and they make an an sound. In this video, I'm going to show you this one, which is called the Kasratain. So you know one line under a letter is called the kasra. When there are two, it becomes Kasratain, and they make an in sound. So this would be in, bin, tin, thin, jin, hin, khin, din, din, and so on. So like this one would be min, nin, win, fin, tin. So you just remember that it makes an in sound for any letter that you find it under. And this is a nice exercise because it brings together things that we've been learning. Like, for example, the Dharma. And this is what meme looks like in the beginning. You can look at my previous videos of what letters are supposed to look like in the beginning, the middle, and the end. That is very helpful because it helps you recognize letters depending on where they come in a word. So this one will be mukiddin. This, like for example, this word would be jadidin. That's a jim in the beginning. Dal, which doesn't join, and I also did a video about this, letters that don't join to letters on their left, and that's a ya, and that's a dal with the tanween, jadidin. And then going to the Quran to see examples of Kasratain. Here's one here. See. So we know this makes a din sound since it's dal. So it's nice to see examples in the Quran. And like I said, every time you learn examples and how to pronounce them, it's one step closer to be able to read in the Quran. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.